I'm Stephanie with Digital Thinker, and today we're going to go over logging into EAM and resetting your password if needed. All right, when a company first purchases EAM, they get two environments typically, which is your training environment and your production, which is your live environment. Now, unless your company's single sign-on, you'll see that your login page looks pretty much like mine does, where you have a user ID and password to put in. Now, if your company has single sign-on, your system administrator just needs to provide you the link to EAM, and then after you click that link, you'll go straight into EAM. Now, if for some reason you forget your password, you can easily click Forget Password and reset your password yourself. Now, if you try logging in more than 5 times with the wrong password, then you have to go to your system administrator to unlock your account. I'm going to log in with my credentials. You will get an error message if you put in the wrong password, so it does tell you right away that, hey, you have the wrong password. You need to either reset or try again to enter your credentials. This is the error message that will pop up if you put in the wrong password. Again, if you enter more than 5 times, you will be locked out of the system, and only your system administrator will be able to unlock your account. Now, if your password is about to expire, you can easily reset your own password. You go to the down button in your top left corner and go to My Accounts. Now, on the right side of the screen, you're able to put in your current password, your new password, and confirm your password. And that's how easy it is. Again, I'm Stephanie with Digital Thinker. Have a great day.